Product of two numbers is 100. LCM is 25. Find the HCF. Yesterday I told a concept. Suppose if there is a number 6, another number is 9. HCF of these two numbers is 3. LCM of these two numbers is 18. 6 into 9 equivalent to 3 into 18. HCF is a factor of the number. A 3 will divide 6. 6 will divide 18. Number is a factor of LCM. That means HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF will always be factor of LCM. N1 into N2 equivalent to LCM into HCF. It does not matter which formula you are using. HCF is a factor of number. Number is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of two natural numbers equivalent to LCM into HCF. This is used only when HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of two natural numbers. Remember this extremely important concept. Then what is the answer for this question? This is 25. Some students who are very poor in mathematics might say the answer as 4. But 4 is not a factor of 25. 4 is not a factor of 25. Answer for this question is data inconsistent. Data inconsistent. What do you mean by data inconsistent? Data inconsistent means there exists no two natural numbers. There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this property. There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this example, in fact. Right? Now see. Data inconsistency. Why it will be data inconsistent? Why it will be data inconsistent? There cannot be two natural numbers whose product is 100 and LCM 25. If I take 1 into 100, LCM cannot be 25. 2 into 50, LCM cannot be 25. 4 into 25, it cannot be 25. 5 into 20, it cannot be 25. 10 into 10, it cannot be 25. Mr. Bhupi Bagi Bhanu and Bharat, what you know concept is product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF. That is not a complete concept. Complete concept is to satisfy that one, HCF should be a factor of LCM. Without reading first point, you are reading point number 2. If anybody has taught you this formula, product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF, without telling that HCF should be a factor of LCM, they are cheating you in the name of teaching. They do not even know the basics of number system. Right? Product of HCF by default. HCF by default will be a factor of LCM. It goes without saying. It has to be a factor of LCM. Number is a factor of LCM. Why? Because HCF is a factor of number and number is a factor of LCM. So HCF is a factor of LCM. Rambabu? I hope it is clear. Please put a star mark on this question. Extremely important, which was our yesterday's last question. Next one. Next one. Please see this question. HCF and LCM of the two numbers. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF we got is 75. HCF we got it as 75. LCM it is 864. First check whether 75 is a factor of 864. 864 is a multiple of 4. But in 75, though no multiple of 4 is there. 75 is not a factor of 864. So, this question, there is an inconsistent data that is given. That numerical values which are given without even thinking. So, answer again for this question is data inconsistent. Data inconsistent. People are so much interested in R.S. Agarwal book without even knowing the concept. 75 is not a factor of 864. You don't need to divide it. 864 is divisible by 864 is divisible by 4. 75. Right? 75 is not divisible by 4.